Today I want to share something that is going to make your life as a social media manager so much easier, and that is how to set up your entire client workflow in Notion so that every time you sign a new client, everything is already ready to go. So what I'm showing you today is basically a client portal, a shared Notion space where you and your client have everything in one place throughout your entire time working together. So let's say you just signed a new client and you send them the portal link. This is the first thing they see when they open it. And straight away they can see what needs their attention, tasks they need to complete, content waiting for their approval, and any updates from you. So they're not just logging in going, okay, but what am I supposed to do here? Because it's all right there. But before any of this makes sense to them, the first thing you want them to do is go to the introduction page. This is where you set clear expectations before the work actually starts. And what I love about this is that the how we work section is already written for you. So you just go in and adjust a few details to match how you work. So from day one, your client knows exactly how things are going to run, and they can always come back here if they need a reminder. There's also a section where your client can see their package and exactly what's included, a little intro about you as their social media manager, so it just feels really personal from the start. And once they've gone through all of that, they naturally move to the onboarding page. This is honestly the part that will save you the most time, because instead of sending questionnaires over email, spending a whole kickoff call just collecting basic info, everything happens right here. And the onboarding steps are already fully built out for you, so you're not starting from scratch. Their brand info, assets, platform access, they just go through it and fill it in, and you know that you can find it all in their client portal. There's also this cute checklist at the top, so both you and your client can see what's done and what's still missing. And once they completed their onboarding, you have everything you need to build out their content strategy. And here you basically have a fully built strategy document right inside the portal. You just go in, fill in your client's data and findings, and it's pretty much done. Their content pillars, goals, competitor analysis, platform strategy, it's all structured for you. And because it lives in the portal, your client can always come back and reference it throughout your time working together. So once the strategy is done, this is where the actual work happens every month. Each month has its own dedicated page where you start by outlining the goals, priorities, and any upcoming events. So before you even start creating content, you and your client are on the same page about what this month is about. And then below that, you have any tasks that need to be completed, and then the actual content workflow where they can see every piece of content and exactly where it is in the process, whether it's still being drafted, waiting for review, approved, or scheduled. They can also see how their grid would look like before anything goes live and can quickly reference this month's report. And by the way, the feed preview you can see here is actually a separate Notion widget I created. I'll link it in the description if you want to add it to your portal too. And now you may be thinking, okay, that's great, but how does my client actually approve or request revisions on posts? And that happens right here on the main dashboard in this content that needs your attention section. So whenever you have content ready for review, it shows up here automatically, and your client can just click into any post, see the actual content, read the caption, and either mark it as approved or request a revision. And if they have a specific feedback, they can leave a comment directly on it. And then at the end of the month, your clients get their report right here in the portal. You just go in, plug in their metrics and results, and that's it. Everything is structured beautifully and laid out for you. And then something I really love about this portal is that offboarding is also already built in. So when you wrap up with a client, there's a whole dedicated page for that too, where you can share their final delivery, your results together, and it just wraps up your work together in a really nice way. And honestly, once you have something like this set up, it just saves you so much time and you can just focus on the actual work. If you want to grab it, the link is in the description box. And if you have any questions, just let me know in the comments.